welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today, we're touring 7 affordable homes for sale across Illinois, each offering solid value, livable space, and real potential for buyers on a budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Hardin, Illinois. 2 beds, 1 bath, $85,000. This cozy 2-bedroom home in the town of Hardin is a great entry-level option for buyers looking for simplicity and value. With 896 square feet of living space, the layout is efficient and easy to maintain. One standout feature is the unfinished basement, offering future expansion potential for storage, a workshop, or added living space. Recent exterior upgrades include a 20 by 20 deck added in 2024, perfect for outdoor gatherings, and a 20 by 18 carport, providing covered parking and added convenience. Most appliances are included, making this a practical move-in ready option. Sold as is, this home is ideal for buyers who appreciate small-town living and the opportunity to add value over time. Number 2. Princeton, Illinois. 3 beds, 1.5 baths, $97,000. This 2-story home in Princeton offers generous room sizes and strong bones, making it an excellent project for buyers who want to personalize their space. The layout is functional, with large living areas that provide flexibility for everyday living and entertaining. A major highlight is the 8 brand new windows with a lifetime warranty scheduled to be installed before closing, adding long-term efficiency and peace of mind. The kitchen is spacious and ready for future upgrades, while the main floor laundry adds everyday convenience. A detached 2-car garage provides secure parking and storage. This home is perfect for buyers seeking character, space, and long-term potential without paying a premium. Number 3. Sauk Village, Illinois. 3 beds, 2 baths, $40,000. Located in the Candlelight Village community, this move-in ready mobile home delivers outstanding affordability without sacrificing comforts. Offering 1,216 square feet, the open floor plan feels bright and welcoming, enhanced by large windows and fresh interior paint. Built in 2004, this extra-wide home includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, making it suitable for families or first-time buyers. All appliances are brand new and come with a 1-year warranty, adding extra value. This is a great opportunity for buyers looking for a clean, updated home in a quiet, community-oriented setting at a very accessible price point. Number 4. Lewistown, Illinois. 2 beds, 1 bath, $76,000. This remodeled home in Lewistown blends small-town charm with modern updates. Inside, you'll find new flooring, fresh paint, and a completely updated bathroom, creating a clean and comfortable living environment. The main floor laundry adds everyday convenience, while the attached deck extends your living space outdoors. Situated on a corner lot, the partially fenced yard offers privacy and flexibility. 2 garage or shed structures provide additional storage, workshop space, or future improvement potential. With nearby parks and local stores, this home is a solid option for buyers seeking affordability with recent upgrades already in place. Number 5. Mount Vernon, Illinois. 3 beds, 1 bath, $67,500. This 3-bedroom home sits in a well-established neighborhood just a short distance from a local school, making it appealing for families or long-term buyers. The 875-square-foot layout is efficient, and the home includes key appliances such as a refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher. While a few items still need replacement, such as flooring in one bedroom and an exterior AC unit, the seller plans to continue improvements, meaning future value growth is already built into the price. Previously appraised higher before renovations, this home represents a smart opportunity for buyers willing to finish the updates and build equity. Number 6. Pekin, Illinois. 1 bed, 1 bath, $55,000. This compact single-family home in Pekin is ideal for buyers seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle. Built in 1930, the home offers classic charm with modern essentials like central heating and air. The 583-square-foot interior is thoughtfully laid out, with the bedroom, living area, and kitchen all conveniently located on the main level. The property sits on a paved street with on-street parking and no HOA, keeping monthly costs low. With a small lot and manageable size, this home is a great fit for first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone looking for affordable ownership in a residential setting. Number 7. Alpha, Illinois. 3 beds, 1 bath, $97,000. This spacious 2-story home in Alpha offers nearly 1,900 square feet of living space in a blend of classic character with major recent upgrades. The main level flows from the kitchen into multiple dining and living areas, creating flexibility for daily life and entertaining. Upstairs, 3 comfortable bedrooms and a large storage room provide plenty of space for family living. Outside, the fully fenced backyard features a newer above-ground pool, concrete patio, and updated sidewalks, making it ideal for outdoor enjoyment. Big-ticket improvements include a new roof, central AC, water heater, and insulation, giving buyers confidence in long-term value. That wraps up today's tour of 7 budget-friendly homes for sale in Illinois. Whether you're buying your first home, investing, or simply looking for value, these properties show what's still possible at affordable prices. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily, and we'll see you in the next tour.